Okay, so I have 16, 2, negative 33, and 16. 2 times 16 is 32, negative 1. Negative 1 times 16 is negative 16. So I got a remainder of 0. So remember, drop down 1. That was squared, so I'm going to start with x. So 2x minus 1. Okay, now I'm about to show you something that's going to make you very happy and very angry with me at the same time. Are you ready?
Yep.
I've been waiting for a long time for somebody to tell me or to ask me what that I is above the decimal sign. See right there? See that I?
Oh, what?
Yep. Yeah.
Oh, I see that.
All that complex number stuff that we've been doing by hand,
We didn't have to.
you can do on the calculator.
Oh, you twisted.
So I'm going to show you how to do it on the calculator now.
Gosh, dang it, you woman.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Okay, so number 16 says 3 divided by 6 plus 7i. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So on the calculator, I'm going to type in 3 divided by, I'm going to turn it on first. That always helps. 3 divided by. Now, I'm going to put this in parentheses because if you don't, it's not going to give you the correct answer. So that's open parentheses 6 plus 7i. Everybody with me?
Yep.
Push enter. It's going to give you some nasty decimals. How do you change decimals to fractions?
Math.
Math, enter, and there we go.
Oh, I hate you.
Oh, wow. So you're telling me we had to. I was so confused on this.
Now, I will tell you this. Second, and the I comes from second and the decimal sign.
And I got it wrong.
If your name is on the board, and that is still something that you lack, you can't use a calculator to do it. You've got to show me that you can do that by hand.
Well, how? I mean, I got, like, the other one, I got C, but, I mean, I got C.
Okay, if you do it the other way,
What the heck, man?
6 minus 7i over 6 minus 7i.
Wait, minus. Oh, my God.
Conjugates.
I forgot you had to switch this. Oh, my God. You gotta be kidding me.
Okay, number 17. 8 plus 10i times 5 minus 8i
Hey, no.
is 120 minus 14i.
No.
What?
No. Do it by. No. Oh, okay, fine. Use your
That's the
calculator.
FOIL method.
Oh, she did use a calculator, don't you?
We're gonna be able to use calculators on the.
Yes. I wouldn't have just shown you that and said, no, you can't use a calculator on the test. Although I will tell you that you cannot use a calculator if you haven't, when you're doing the assessments over this from the first 9 weeks? Yeah, this is on the first 9 weeks. Yeah, you can't use a calculator for that. You got to be able to do that by hand. Okay, number 18. The square root of 64 is 8. Now, 245 is not a perfect square, but it must contain one, because if you look at your choices there, the square root of 245 is not on there.
I bet you was right.
So, I have C7s and I see 5s. I'm going to see if 49 will go into it evenly. So, 245 divided by 49. Yeah, it'll go 5 times. So 5 times 49. The square root of 49 times 5. Now what is the square root of 49? 7. 5 is not a perfect square and it doesn't contain one, so it stays under there. And then it's over 8.
Boom.
Okay. Number 19. Oops. Okay, again, number 19. I can now do in the calculator. 2i
Once again.
times negative 3i times 4i is 24i.
They're all lies. It's all lies.
Now number 20, which is nasty looking, I can do that in the calculator. Please make sure that you put the numerator and the denominator both in parentheses. 6 minus 3i, notice that's in parentheses,
Oh my gosh, she's gonna
divided by,
Oh.
in parentheses, 8 minus 11i. Again, it gives me a nasty looking decimal, so math, enter, enter,
What did I do wrong?
and there you go. That is A.
I'm glad you finally decided that.
You're welcome.
I'd really, really enjoy if you do number 23.
If somebody had asked me about it before, I would have told you before. I've just been waiting. I got tired of waiting.
All that other stuff I just kind of ignore until you tell us.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, the square root of 196 is 14. You should have that memorized. The square root of 196 is 14. That should be a fast one.
Yeah, I knew that.
What happened?
Okay, now number 22.